So children, in my previous class we had learnt about commutative property, that is reordering, and associative property, that was regrouping property. Now moving further, today we learn distributive property. In this property, we will break either the multiplicand or the multiplier into smaller numbers, preferably multiples of 10 and one digit numbers, so that it's easier to multiply. Now in this case, I believe if we break this number 13, our solution will be easier. How we can do it? 35 multiply by. Whenever you break the number, it has to be written in bracket. This can be written as 10 plus 3, multiple of 10 and a single digit number. Now 35 multiply by, in the bracket 10 plus 3 means that we have to multiply 35 with both 10 and 3, and the sign of addition will come in between. So 35 multiply by 10 plus 35 multiply by 3. So this becomes 350 plus 105. So when we add it, it becomes 554. 455. This is the answer. You can actually multiply and see whether we are getting the same answer or not. Now, next question. 9 into 993. 993 seems to be a bigger number, but it can be broken into parts. 9 multiplied by 1000 minus 7. 9000 minus 63. So when we subtract 63 from 9000, we get 9 and 8. 8, 9, 3 and 7. Fine. Next, this can be broken. This can also be broken. And I think if we break this number, it will be easier. Now, let's try to break it into multiples of 10. 1000 plus 100 plus 5. Yes, we can break it into 3 parts also. A bracket multiply by 7. So 7 should be multiplied with 1000. 7 should be multiplied with 100 and 5 as well. This becomes 7000 plus 700 plus 35. It can be directly written also, or you can add it and see. Fine. Now the next question. Again, we'll be breaking this number, bigger one. 24 multiplied by 200 plus 30 plus 4. So every time we are trying to break into multiples of 10 and a single digit number. So this becomes 24 2s are 48 and 2 zeros at the back. 2 1 720. 96. So 4800 plus 720 plus 96. 5616. Now, moving on to the next question. Now here we learn multiply using suitable properties. The first question is using suitable properties. So first question is 25 multiply by 72 multiply by 40. Now we all know that 25 multiplied by 4 gives 100. So 40 will give 1000. So we can regroup this number, reorder this number first. Reordering means we use commutative property. Using commutative property. After this, we can even regroup it. This hardly makes any sense because this is also multiplication, this is also multiplication. So even if we don't group it, we will be able to solve it, but we can use this property as well. This is associative property. So this becomes 1000. Bracket says solve me first. We are solving this first, then multiplying it with 72, which gives us 72,000. Next question. (243) multiply by 500 multiply by 3 into 2. So again, 5 2s are 10. These two can be put together and these two can be put together. So 243 multiply by 3 multiply by 500 multiply by 2. Again, which property are we using? Commutative property. To make it easier further, let us use associative property. Now, 9217 multiply by 1000. We can simply put 3 zeros at the end. Another question. Four into 10 multiply by 25 multiply by 569. So in this case, again, we can multiply these two and these two. Let us first reorder. So this is commutative. You must have now learned what is commutative. So regrouping. So this becomes 100 into 5690, which gives us 5690. 1 0 here, 2 zeros here. So totally 3 zeros at the back. That's all for today.